Alright, so this is going to be sewer scope post excavation for installation of cleanouts, post cabling because line was still backed up for invoice 22403875, 3415 Elizabeth Street, Denver, Colorado. This is a home serve job. Just installed cleanouts, middle of the backyard. Crew just left, but the line was still backed up. All right, zeroed at lateral. All right, we are going to drop a spring down this line and try and pop this core. And we got a decent amount of solids left in line. We'll get back to the video in a minute.